he gives a list of things he hates. Things like people who love evil, things like murderers. And on that list, people who stir up conflict in the community. Do you know how serious this is? This means when you cause problems in the church, God puts you on the same list as he puts murderers. That's how serious he takes this. You want to gossip a little bit? Fine, be judged by the Lord. You're on the same list as the murderers. I was going to send a message to someone. It was to a group of people. I was going to send a message to a group of people about something we were working on. And I was in a bad mood. And I was kind of annoyed at the situation. And I typed it up. And I was like, that doesn't sound right. Delete it. Typed it up, delete it again. Typed it up a third time. Now I'm tired of typing it up. You ever been there? I'm tired of typing it up. And I had also just gotten some news that was really hard, bad news. And so I'm kind of irritated there. And I was not feeling well physically. I'm just like, I get to this thing and I'm like, you know what? This is stupid. And instead of going, this is stupid, delete, I'll deal with it later, I went, this is stupid, send. And went to a group and then instead of deleting, I looked at it and went, yeah. And I left. And came back to it later. I'd really hurt some people's feelings. I said some stuff I shouldn't have said. Or I said it in a way I shouldn't have said it. It wasn't even a very long message. What did I do? I was stirring up some conflict unnecessarily, wasn't I? And I can't let that go, can I? I can't let that go. Fortunately, we got some people in our church who are mature Christians and they're not scared of me. And they called me up and said, Jeff, we need to talk. We got together and we talked and I listened to how they felt. They listened to how I felt. We worked through some stuff. And we listened to what was going on behind the picture. Cause whatever someone says, it's not the whole picture, right? Well, why are you thinking that? Why am I? And we worked through it and it was hard and it was difficult. But man, praise the Lord, we had some people who are more interested in cleaning up my poopies than just being mad at me for being an idiot. You know what I mean? We can't let this stuff go. God hates this stuff. He wants us to clean it up. And by the grace of God, we can clean it up.